2020's closed. It's a new year, but I'm not done with 2020 yet. Join me today as I show you 5 of my favorite prints, seen or unseen, that I did in 2020. See you guys inside. Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a recap of 2020. Today I am going to show you 5 time lapses of 5 different models that I printed throughout the year, or 5 items I printed, I shouldn't just say models, that I printed throughout the year that I just thought deserved some extra recognition at the end of what was 2020. A lot of people say 2020 was bad. Some people say 2020 had its good points too. 2020 was good for me. I started this channel and started doing what I love to do and teach. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are my top 5. As I said, some were seen, some were not seen on the channel this year. So if you see something that you want a tutorial or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. And always remember, hit that subscribe button, join the crew, join the channel, ask those questions, leave those comments. Please share the channel with anybody you know that's into 3D printing or just getting started or has been in it for a long time. They may pick something up new. So before I kick over to the time lapses, some new things you will see on the channel. Resin printing's coming. If you guys want more tutorials in Cura and Mesh Mixer, let me know down below in the comments. I want to know if you guys want more on that. So I'm trying to make sure I'm helping everyone out that's coming and joining this channel. And again, I appreciate all the 700 and more that have subscribed to the channel in just a short time of starting it. We've only been running for about 6 months. So help us keep continuing to grow. More perks are coming. So I appreciate you guys. Let's get on to those 5 time lapses. All right, guys, that's the 5 that I chose for this year that were my favorite, or as I said, I just enjoyed printing for whatever reason I printed them for. So if there's one of those that you saw that you haven't found on the channel yet and you want to see a tutorial on how to make it, let me know down in the comments below. Some of them are probably coming, some may not, they're just prints. So thank you guys. See you in the next video. And remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that comment buttons down below, and always hit that bell so you get notifications anytime there is a new video. See you guys later. I know video over, right? Well, not. I want to take a moment to thank Megan Sprinkle. My beautiful wife. She has done everything to get this channel started and supported me in everything I do, and I felt it's necessary to take the time to say thank you, Megan. I love you. And see you guys next time.